My name is Amy Mistry. I am a professor of pharmacy practice in the School of Pharmacy Boston, as well as director of the Biopharmaceutical Industry Fellowship Program here at MCPHS. MCPHS is a little over 200 years old, which is, the second oldest institution of pharmacy in the country. We're also in Boston, and I think that piece of it is really what makes our program unique. The fellows get to spend a lot of time at the pharmaceutical industry, working in various functional areas, but then they also have the opportunity to come to campus and teach for us, and they get to really hone in on their skills both on the industry side as well as on the academic side. With this being postgraduate training, typically what I tell our students is try and do research ahead of time, right? And starting in your first professional year of pharmacy school, attend webinars, join professional organizations where you can learn more about the industry. And then the beauty of our degree is that it marries the science and the data component. And so our ability to understand the patient side as well as the provider side, but then bring in the business piece of it, kind of puts PharmDs in a unique space than what a traditional pharmacy setting offers. With it being postgraduate training, it is full-time work. You're getting paid. Every program's a little bit different. Some of them have rotations where you're doing things for 3 to 4 months at a time. Other ones are 6 to 10 month rotations. The benefit of the 2-year program is that in the second year, you really get a deeper dive and you become a lot more independent. Obviously, there's no guarantee, right, when you start 2 years in advance to know what that's gonna look like 2 years later, but we do see that more and more fellows are being retained at their sponsor companies. I think what I love about our fellowship program is that it's still a really tight-knit community. The fellows get to know each other really well. There's so much opportunity to advance yourself here in the Massachusetts area because of where we are positioned. And the vibe that fellows get, and they tell me this, is that it's a family. We have 300 plus alumni that are out there in the country working in the pharmaceutical industry. And so we look for our fellows after they finish the program to stay as active alumni. We have a number of networking events that we hold after they're done. We have mentorship opportunities. We have ways for them to come back and serve on panels and kind of provide their insights from a professional perspective. Every year, it re-energizes me. We hit July, we start a new class, and I see how much excitement comes in and how they are just so ready to jump in, and I see how much our first year fellows that are transitioning to second years have grown, and they're just so talented. They're so passionate about pharmacy and what this field brings to those around them, and this is why I do what I do, and that is kind of my fuel.